In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to group objects in Adobe Express. If you want to keep multiple elements together while designing, grouping is one of the easiest and most useful tools to learn. It helps you treat several objects like a single item, which makes it much easier to organize your layout and make quick adjustments without moving pieces one by one. To get started, open your project in Adobe Express. Make sure the design you want to edit is already on your canvas, and take a moment to identify the objects you want to combine. These could be shapes, text boxes, images, icons, or other design elements that you want to move and manage together. Next, select the objects you want to group. There are two simple ways to do this. You can hold the Shift key while clicking each object one at a time, which is helpful if the items are spaced apart or layered in a specific way. You can also drag your cursor across the canvas to select multiple objects at once, which is a faster option when the items are close together. The important thing here is to make sure every object you want included is selected before moving on. Once your objects are selected, you can group them using whichever method feels most convenient. Click Group in the top toolbar, or right-click on the selected objects and choose Group from the menu. If you prefer keyboard shortcuts, you can also press Ctrl+G. Any of these options will do the same thing, so feel free to use the one that best fits your workflow. After that, Adobe Express combines the selected objects into a single group. This means you can now move them together, resize them together, or rotate them together as one unit. This is especially useful when you've already arranged elements exactly how you want them and don't want that layout to shift accidentally while editing the rest of your design. Grouping can save a lot of time and help keep your project clean and consistent, especially when you're working with more detailed compositions. It also makes it easier to reposition design elements without having to reselect everything again. And that's it. That's how to group objects in Adobe Express. Once you start using this feature regularly, you'll find that it makes designing faster, smoother, and much more manageable.